chubby, chunky, extra fluffy, or even full-figured. These are all terms I use when giving a physical examination to my clients' pets. But you get the idea. These are all ways of saying their pet is fat. Obesity is affecting our pets in epidemic proportions. It's defined as being 20% over your body's ideal weight. So why are so many of our pets battling the bulge just like so many of the owners? There's a myriad of causes. Pet owners lead busy lives. When you come home from a long day at work, it's hard enough to motivate yourself to go out and exercise. Taking your dog for a walk or playing with your cat is probably the furthest thing from your mind. And then there's the guilt factor. You want to spend more quality time with your cat or dog, but there are only so many hours of the day. As you head out the door on one more errand, you toss your pet a treat or two to assuage your guilt. And it's not just the treats that lead to a packing on of pounds. A trip down the pet food aisle at your local grocery store is mind-boggling. Premium pet foods with gourmet ingredients make the repast we place in front of our pets irresistible. And admit it, it brings joy to any owner's heart to see their furry friends gobbling down a meal. Making our pets happy makes us happy. Here, eat some more. Neutering a pet does slow down its metabolism, but that alone does not account for the expanding girth. Owners are often at fault. We mistakenly continue to feed them as though they were growing pets, when the only growing they're doing after they're reaching puberty is out, not up. Clients will often ask, how can my pet be fat? I'm following the pet food manufacturer's feeding guidelines. The guides are based on very active cats and dogs. Honestly, is your pet a world-class athlete or a couch potato? Hormonal diseases such as hypothyroidism and underactive thyroid or hyperadrenocorticism, Cushing's disease, are but two of many that can lead to an increase in your pet's weight. Obesity robs your pet of a good quality of life. The extra weight puts a tremendous burden on their heart, lungs, and joints. Digestive maladies, skin disorders, and accelerated chances of developing diabetes are all linked to obesity. It also puts your pet at increased risk if an anesthetic procedure is required. So how do you know if your pet is overweight? When your pet is standing and you look down on it, you should see a waistline after its ribs. If it's a sausage, the same size from its shoulders to its hips, it's overweight. When you place your hand on the side of its chest with a bit of pressure, you should be able to feel its ribs. If you're pinching an inch, it's fat. Weight loss strategy is a combination of sensible calorie restriction and increased exercise. Your veterinarian can assist your canine companions in its quest to regain its svelte figure with medication that eases their hunger pains. With appropriate attention to proper nutrition, you can add years to your pet's life. Obesity is a preventable disease. The battle of the bulge takes the cooperation of all members of the family. And remember, your pet didn't get chubby overnight. It's going to take time and patience to return your pet to its optimal health. Need help in determining if your pet is fit or fat? Just ask your veterinarian.